So let's read it.
My Lord. My Lord, this reference comprises of 15 pages.
No, not the facts. What does the President of Pakistan want us to do?
My Lord, if my Lords may kindly turn to order dated 21st of April 2011. That order records the questions which were referred.
So before that, in the presidential reference, it is under which article of the Constitution?
186.
Can you read 186? We do one thing at a time. It's reproduced, I think, in the first page of the presidential reference.
Clause 1. If at any time the President considers that it is desirable to obtain the opinion of the Supreme Court on any question of law which he considers of public importance, he may refer the question to the Supreme Court for consideration. 2. The Supreme Court shall consider a question so referred and report its opinion on the question to the President.
Okay. Now this is an extraordinary power vesting in the President. And which President had filed this reference?
Sir, President Asif Ali Zardari.
Okay.
On the advice of the federal government, the cabinet.
And what was his tenure in office till?
I believe it was 2008 through 2013.
And after that, how many presidents have come?
2, my Lord.
And none withdrew it?
None of them.
So it's still on our docket?
That's right, ma'am. It's presidential reference number 1 of 2011.
I must regret on behalf of the Supreme Court that it was not listed earlier, because we have a policy now of first in, first out, unless there is some urgency in a particular case. Okay, so would you like to refer to the presidential reference or the order now?
My Lord, I'd like to refer to the order because that order then captures the questions.
Okay, which order is that?
It's 21st April 2011, 21/4/2011.
21 April.
Isn't there a question in the reference itself?
My Lord, the questions were in the reference also, but
why don't we go to the question of law that was, Mr. Attorney General?
My Lord.
Could we just refer to the question of law raised in the original reference?
My Lord. My Lords, if my Lord may kindly turn to page 16 of the reference.
No, it finishes at 15.
There is no question.
It finishes at 15. 16 is a summary for the Prime Minister.
These were placed. These were placed subsequently. There was an order dated 13, 14, and 18 of. There were orders, several orders of 13, 14, and 18 April 2021.
Why don't
2011 and on 21/4.
Why you read the reference?
If I can
read the title of the reference, that itself sums up the question. After a reference ka title.
Reference by the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan under Article 186 of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan to revisit the case of Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto, reported as PLD 1979, Supreme Court.
Original file
53, 38.
And file separately some questions, because in the reference the questions are not reflecting in any heading.
My Lord, if your Lordship will allow me, it's a reported matter. The order of this honourable court where the questions were framed.
That was
like
the
a
questions framed by the court.
Yes, my Lord.
We are asking what about the questions which you framed in your reference for the opinion of this court?
That is in the reference.
My Lord,
but this honourable court also framed the questions
which were framed in the
This honourable court also framed the question, and it is a reported
matter. I think, Mr. Attorney General, why don't we just read the entire reference?
My Lord.
And if there are sort of irrelevant or just factual things, we'll skip those.
Well, what happened was that after
let's now
the reference was filed, the questions were subsequently forwarded.